In this tutorial, we are going to study document categories, how to create them, how to modify them for any specific documents, and how to make your own. So let's start by remembering what those categories are exactly. The document categories, as has been previously described, are both a visual and textual identification of the type of content of the document itself. So let's pick, for example, this one. This document. This is a document called Interesting Website for advertising purposes. It has a title, keywords, description, comments, and of course the browsing of the document itself. Now, I could decide to change this category. So I would click on the down arrow right here and decide, for example, that this might be better to call it advertising, since it's for advertising purposes. So let's see what happens when I click on that category. Well, the document used to be right here on website and now appears right there. The little category that appears on the left part of the grid has changed too, because it's just a small icon of the bigger one right here. If I want to take this document and change its value back, its category back to website, I just simply click on the down arrow, select website, and it's going to be back exactly where it was before. So this is those are document categories. Now you may ask, but how can I change those categories? When you launch DocHopper for the first time, there is only one category created. And let's check this category. To have a look on all the categories that you have created, go on Tools and select Edit Categories. Here is the form that is being displayed to you. Manage Document Categories. The first category is in gray. It's called document, and the reason why it's in gray, it's because you cannot modify it, you cannot delete it. It's there and it stays there. The reason why is because every document that you create under DocHopper must have a document category. So this is a residual category that comes up whenever you launch DocHopper. This category is created. By definition, it stays there and it cannot be modified. So that's number one. Now let's go back and check the other document category available. All those documents have been created either from scratch, where you invent your own text, you come up with your own icon that you, for example, download it on the internet, and when you're ready, you have all those, you have the idea for the new category, and you have the new JPEG file. What you basically do is add new category, click on this button, new category, type the name of the new category, like I'm just doing right now, then choose image, and browse on your computer to find any picture that you want. I'm just taking a completely random picture right now, and automatically DocHopper creates the big image for this category and the smaller one. But if you want to pick your own small image because you have designed it yourself using a graphic software, feel free to do so. Just click on choose image and browse your computer for this category. Let's say that we are happy with our new category. We click on add, we get back to our manage document category form, we go to the end of the list, and here we notice that we have just created a new category. Of course, it's not a very interesting category, so I'm just going to delete it simply by selecting it in the list and clicking delete selected category. If I select the gray category of document and I click delete selected category, DocHopper informs me that I cannot delete this category. Here we are with managing document categories. Now, there is another button right here that's called add custom category. You can also access the same form by going on tools and choosing add custom categories, which I'm going to do right now. Choosing this displays the following form. This form has many tabs, as you see. I'm going to browse very quickly through them, And those tabs have a lot of different icons. We decided to offer you the possibility of creating your own categories, but choosing from a list of categories with a lot of nice icons that we added to our software. So for example, if you are interested in creating a new category called human resources, you just select that, click create categories. You are back to the manage document categories form that we have previously shown you, and there we are at the bottom of the list. We have created a new category called human resources. Now you may decide that you like the icon, but you do not think that human resources is the best possible name for it. So what are you going to do? You are simply going to select it in the list, click on modify selected category, and come up with another name. For example, just type HR, might be enough, modify, and there you are. Go back and check at the bottom of the list. Your modified document category has been added. I now click on close, and if I decide that this, for example, this document right here should be classified not under customer service but under the new category that I just created, I pick it up from the list, HR, add up, and there we are. The new category has been changed for that document.